Come test drive 2021 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.